Good morning students. Today we will discuss very important topic of English grammar, tense. You should listen carefully. It will be helpful in writing skill to make a proper sentence. So शुरू करते हैं. What is tense? Tense tells us the time of action. अब टाइम और एक्शन हम कैसे बताते हैं ये एक चार्ट के थ्रू समझते हैं. टाइम we have three main time: present, past and future. Further, we divide three main time into four categories according to their actions: indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Now these tense indicates अपने actions indicate करते हैं. Action क्या है? Indefinite tense indicates fact, habit, regular action, general truth. Continuous tense indicates continuity, continue action in present, present continuous, continue action in past, past continuous, continue action in future, future continuous. Next, perfect tense indicates completed action. It means completed action in present, present perfect tense, completed action in past, past perfect, completed action in future, future perfect. Perfect continuous. Perfect continuous indicates continuity with time. So we have 3 times 4 action. So we do multiply 3 multiply 4. It means we have 12 tenses: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In the same way, past or future way. Here I am not going to tell you all the tenses. We will discuss only main tenses one by one. First, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is formed by using subject plus first form of the verb or s or es. We use first form of the verb with first person, second person, plural. For example, I go to school. We use s or es with the first form of the verb with third person singular. For example, he plays football daily. In negative and interrogative sentences are formed by using do or does. Do is used with first person, second person, plural. Does is used with third person, singular. For example, I don't go. He doesn't play football. In interrogative sentence, does he play football? Present indefinite time is used to describe fact, habits, general truth, regular action. For example, I take a balanced diet. He goes to gym daily. Next, past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is formed by using the second form of the verb. For example, I wrote an interesting story yesterday. Negative and interrogative sentences are formed by using did. It means did not plus first form of the verb. In interrogative sentence, did is used before subject and first form of the verb is used. For example, in negative sentence में I did not write an interesting story. Interrogative sentence, did I write an interesting story? Past indefinite tense is used to express an action completed in the definite past. For example, I came to this city in 1985. 1985 show past indefinite tense. टाइम बता रहा है पास्ट का, सो ये पास्ट को शो कर रहा है. At that time it was a calm area. Next, future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense is formed by using will, shall plus first form of the verb. For example, John will buy a torch tomorrow. Generally, this tense is used to express the future time. कि फ्यूचर में क्या होगा उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस इज फॉर्म्ड बाय यूजिंग is mr plus first form of the verb plus ing form. For example, He is running on the road. He is playing football. In negative sentence, he is not playing football. In interrogative sentence, is he playing football? This tense shows what is happening at the time of speaking. कि speaking के time, बोलने के time जो काम चल रहा है. It means suppose मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. It means I am teaching. At present action continue. It means you are listening. You are listening. Clear? Next, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is formed by using was verb plus first form of the verb plus ing form. For example, John and Sarah were attending a meeting. I was buying books. In negative, I was not buying books. In interrogative sentence, was I buying book? This tense is used to express an action which was going on at some point of time in the past. कि past में किसी time पर action कंटिन्यू एक्शन चल रहा है. कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही वॉज टेकिंग लंच व्हेन आई वेंट टू सी हिम. कि जब मैं उससे मिलने गया वो क्या कर रहा था, कंटिन्यू एक्शन क्या था, ही वॉज टेकिंग लंच. क्लियर? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. दिस टेंस इज फॉर्म्ड बाय यूजिंग हैज हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही हैड कंप्लीटेड रनिंग. शी हैज रिटन एन एसे. In negative sentence, she has not written an essay. In interrogative sentence, has she written an essay? This tense is used to give information about an action that has recently been completed. It means completed action show करता है perfect tense. In present, completed action in present tense, it means present perfect tense. He has just cooked the meal. कि उसने अभी अपना खाना बना लिया. कि सपोज आप अपना काम कर लेते हो तो आप क्या यूज़ करते हो, आई हैव डन माई होमवर्क. सो रिसेंटली कंप्लीटेड एक्शन के लिए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस हम यूज़ करते हैं. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस इज फॉर्म्ड बाय यूजिंग हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शी हैड रिटन एन essay. In negative formation, she had not written an essay. In interrogative formation, had she written an essay? We use this time to talk about an action which finished before another action in the past. कि past में कोई action complete होने से पहले, उस एक्शन से पहले एक एक्शन क्या है, कंप्लीट हो चुका है. कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल द मैच हैड फिनिश्ड बिफोर आई रिच द स्टेडियम. कि मैं स्टेडियम में पहुंचा उससे पहले एक काम खत्म हो चुका था, फिनिश हो चुका था. वो काम क्या था, द मैच हैड फिनिश्ड. क्लियर? कि एक एक्शन के शुरू होने से, एक एक्शन से पहले दूसरा एक्शन क्या हो चुका है, फिनिश हो चुका है. पास्ट जो है वो पास्ट का भी, पास्ट परफेक्ट पास्ट का भी पास्ट बताता है. Present perfect continuous. In this tense, has, have plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing form is used. We use since or for while mentioning the point of time and period of time. For example, he has been playing football for 2 hours. In negative formation, he has not been playing football for 2 hours. In interrogative formation, has he been playing football for 2 hours? This tense is used to indicate an action which began in the past but it still continue. कि एक्शन पास्ट में तो स्टार्ट हुआ है बट अभी तक प्रेजेंट में वो क्या है, चल रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स हैव बीन स्टडिंग सिंस 9 o'clock. कि स्टूडेंट्स क्या है, 9 o'clock सुबह से अभी तक पढ़ रहे हैं. क्लियर? कि सपोज मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, मान लो मुझे, मैं कहती हूँ कि मैं सुबह से पढ़ा रही हूँ, तो सेंटेंस में क्या यूज़ करूँगी, आई हैव बीन टीचिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. Clear? Present perfect continuous tense. I hope you are getting well. Thank you.